in here. If you don't know what Gousto is, let me show you. Gousto is a food box delivery service where you pick your meals online and they send you this huge box of all the ingredients measured out precisely, along with recipe cards right to your doorstep. They have plenty of vegetarian, fish and meat options to choose from. Just be aware the meat is not halal. So you pick 4 meals, choose a delivery date and wait for your box to arrive. We've got some recipe cards, so we've got some pizza, we've got crispy batter wraps, Indian spiced pea and sweet corn fritters with some eggs, and some fish and chips. Let's have a look inside. Oh, so we've got 2 cloves of garlic, we've got some eggs, 3 lots of eggs, got a sweet pepper, some tomatoes, chili pepper, some chives. We'll have a look at this in a minute. Got half a cucumber, lettuce, some lamb's lettuce, sweet corn, 3 potatoes, some wraps, 2 limes, 2 pizza bases. They look like naans. And we've got some rockets. In here we've got the ice pack, got some fish, mozzarella, 2 packets of peas, some salami, or if it is Najura slice, some carrots, some cheese, and that's that. This can all go into the fridge. This is the card of this. Oh, some things leaked in here. Got some ginger and garlic. Got some nigella seeds. I can't even read that. Turmeric. Chili jam. Cumin. Ground coriander. Oh, some of these are definitely leaked, and this is gram flour. Oops, there it is. That's the culprit. An opened packet of gram flour. So I'm glad I always have gram flour at home, so okay, might keep that separate really. That's that. Next one is the Feel Good Fish with Chip. Got some panko breadcrumbs and some mayonnaise, and that's all for that. This one for the pizza. some vinegar, tomato paste and some dried oregano. That's a cute little pot there. With a crispy batter wrapped with chili mayo, and breadcrumbs. Got some chili jam, mayonnaise and some ground paprika. So all this comes to your front door, and I had a voucher code for 65% off. So all this 4 meals for 2 people, so that's 8 meals for £12.25p. If you want to try a box, I'll leave a promo code in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye. 5% off. So all this 4 meals for 2 people, so that's 8